Many router tables have fences that run in 2 slots and lock down with 2 knobs. A lot of drill press fences work the same way. I see some folks adjust these fences by loosening both the knobs and moving the whole fence forward or backward. That makes a lot of sense if you have to make a large adjustment, but it makes little sense if you want to make small adjustments. It's far better to just loosen one side of the fence and nudge it forward and back. Why? Because unlike a table saw where the fence must remain parallel to the blade, both a router and a drill press feature round cutters spinning on a single pointer axis. There's nothing to remain parallel to. So you may adjust the fence by pivoting it from one end. When you do so, you're able to make very fine adjustments because the movement you make at one end of the fence will have roughly half the effect at the bit in the middle of the fence. For example, it would be very difficult to move the entire fence forward or back by just a 32nd of an inch. My big clumsy hands aren't that precise. But I can move one end about a 16th of an inch very easily. And that will equal about a 32nd of an inch at the bit itself. If you want to make an ultra-fine adjustment, try making a micro adjuster. This is just a machine screw in a block of wood. I bored the hole slightly smaller than the threads of the screw, and I let the screw itself tap the wood. By clamping this behind the fence, I can make adjustments in the thousandths of an inch, because again, a tiny movement here has only half the effect at the bit. Don't forget, this works both at the router table and the drill press. I've been using Duragrit carbide sanding products for years, and I still haven't worn out the first ones I bought. If I have a rough edge to smooth, a corner to chamfer, or a curve to shape, more often than not, I'm reaching for one of these cleverly designed tools. It's one of those workshop secrets I wish I'd discovered long ago. Check out the link below this video to see for yourself. Wait, don't go yet. If you're new here, please subscribe and remember to ring the bell. I would really appreciate that. Give us a thumbs up, or better yet, leave us a comment. I always read them. And be sure to check out the latest issue of Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal. It's always packed with tips, tricks, and tutorials designed to make you a better woodworker.